Hi, I'm Don.
That makes me Julie.
This was our beginner class for October the
18th.
18th.
And in American that's October 18th, but in Canadian it is October 18th.
October.
He doesn't look like a Canadian, does he? Ask him about that.
Please go. So we did a bring her around, back her up, two hands. I go, Julie
On the other
goes,
side.
walk, walk, bring her around, back her up.
So, the rhythm of double two is triple step, walk, walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, walk, walk. We practiced it then, and we're inviting you to practice it with us now. Don's going to stand right beside me. I'm doing the ladies' part. He'll be doing the gentleman's part. We are triple step, walk, walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here's the ladies' footwork. Right, left, right, left, left.
Gentlemen, left, right, walk, walk.
So Don is going to show you how to do the basic pattern from the leader's point of view. I'll be back in a second with the follower's pattern.
Gentlemen, this is 12 o'clock. We were looking at the corner, which was about 1, 1:30. We had our pumpkin, or our shoulders, on our right side, and we did a left together left, which was a zig. Then we zagged a right together right, which back her up. And then we reset her on the walk angle. So then our foot was again pointed at that 1, 1:30.
That was fast. Okay, followers, we were standing in this direction. If you recall, we were looking at that lovely sculpture of me, the silhouette of me over there. And we are at a right angle to the leader, and actually we're diagonal to where the line of dance is, and you'll see that in a minute. So we start with the right, left, right, and we make a nice curving angle, stepping forward with each step, curving it. Right, left, right. That's called bring her around. Right now we're facing angular to the back line of dance. We're going to step directly back for the next 3 steps. Since the weight is on our right foot, not our left, we'll start backing up with our left foot. We step back, back, back. That's the second triple step. On the walk, walk, weight is on our left foot, so we're going to turn and face line of dance, straight down line first, and then we step right, left. And you'll notice, just like the leaders, that my left foot, if possible, is facing at an angle, so our toes will be facing each other. Without so much talk, it looks like this. Bring her around, back her up, turn, walk, walk. Don will join me now, and you'll see how this looks with the real partner.
So, Dancing with Julie, it was a bring her around, back her up, walk, walk.
And you'll see how our toes are pointing at each other. So that's your basic.
So we did that, and then we ended up with a two-hand hold. Bring her around, back her up, and it is a walk together, a walk step.
So leaders, you're the one who has this idea to go to the 2-hand hold. So you're the one, as you're taking your walk, walk, you're going to move away from the follower, and as you do that, you're going to take your right hand, which is on her shoulder blade, slide it right down her arm. Lo and behold, at the end of her arm, you'll find her hand.
Now, gentlemen, we were trying to differentiate between left and right. This is your right. Yeah, it is your right. And we are going to do...
Okay, before you go on, our feet. Initially, we suggested you stand with feet together. Later on during the lesson, we pointed out that you may have your feet crossed. In any event, you're going to be facing each other. Your shoulders will be facing each other, and your toes in general will be facing each other.
And gentlemen, what we said was this goes up, and we go triple step. So we are in a rep.
The important thing to realize here is that we are both moving. Don cannot possibly get across the spot without me moving.
So gentlemen, I'm pulling her as I'm moving. So
pulling her with this hand.
So I'm tugging triples as I'm moving in this direction. Now, facing you, not that it's going to help because it's YouTube, we're going to do triple steps. So now that you can see it, then I let go of my left, and I did a side to the other side. And I'm also taking my right arm and pulling and pushing it in front of me, and that's what's causing Julie to go.
From this direction, I want you to notice, we've just stepped triple step, so weight is on my right foot and it's on Don's left foot. When he releases this hand, the general rule is I should leave the hand where it is. So I do it as he moves, my hand slides across his back, and he picks it up. So there's no reaching for my hand, he knows exactly where it is, because it's sliding across his back. And in fact, what happens is usually his elbow hits my arm, and then we just connect hands at the bottom. So we end up with a wide two-hand hold. We've just done our second triple step, which means I'm on my left foot, Don is on his right foot.
At this point, gentlemen, we lift the left hand up, and as we talk, we change places. Walk, walk. I now have Julie in a wrap, at which point I let go, and I do the bring her around, back her up. Bring her around, back her up, walk, walk.
The point we made here was that as Don releases, side together, side, walk, walk. So as Don releases his hand, you'll notice it's on my right shoulder blade. It doesn't actually belong there. It's a good place for him to start leading me, but almost as soon as he starts, the hand is going to move from my right shoulder blade to my left shoulder blade, which is where it belongs. So leaders, as you do this, as you start this pattern, remember, it's not necessarily your hand that makes her come around, it's the rotation of your right shoulder that makes her come around. It's going to come forward. Triple step, walk, walk. So all together, starting from here this time, we have
Bring her around, back her up, walk two hands. I go, side together, side. Julie goes, walk, walk. Bring her around, back her up, walk, walk. Now, for our intermediates, gentlemen, we did say we can do this continuously. Triple.
that was the floor, not me. Wasn't Don either.
Triple step, side together, side. Walk, two hands. I go, side together, side. Julie goes, two hands. Triple, triple. And after a while you get tired, you'll bring her around, back her up, walk, walk.
So, food for thought for everybody. We thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you in 2 weeks for two-step.
Bye.
Bye.